Hey there! Welcome to this exciting video. My name is David Sharp, and I'm going to be your guide today on this journey of discovering how to change your health and possibly even your finances by simply changing the water that you drink. This water has become a movement around the world with hundreds of thousands of people who have uncovered the truth about how to create real, natural, and sustainable health simply by changing the water that they drink. Hironori Oshiro, Enagic's founder, he set out on a personal mission to learn more about Kangen water. It became his obsession. He set out on a personal mission and to make it possible for the world to benefit from this miracle water. I'm going to show you how you can transform ordinary tap water into this clean, healthy, alkalizing water. I feel healthier than I've ever felt in my entire life.
You can feel great about sharing with others. We're not changing people's behaviors here, which is awesome. We're just showing them a better way.
It'll improve their whole life. It'll improve their well-being. It'll improve everything about them.
We've put together this simple presentation to simply explain the power of the water. We'll welcome you into our community where you can ask questions 24/7, 365, and exchange stories with other machine owners who are experiencing and spreading the word about this amazing health breakthrough. Remember, our mission is to change the world and have a massive impact on people's lives by simply changing the water that they're drinking. Someone cared enough about you to share the gift of Kangen water. Get back to them and let them know right now which machine you're considering. You can go on with your life ignoring the information, the science, the data, and the opportunity. Or you can make a decision to change everything. What I know about change is it doesn't happen over years. It happens in an instant. It happens when you make a decision that that's enough, that's it, I'm gonna change, no more. And today, right now, this moment can be that time. Can be that time to where never again, not anymore, you're gonna make a decision and you're gonna change. Maybe it's gonna be your health, maybe it's gonna be your finances, maybe it's gonna be both. I invite you to join us right now. Don't delay, don't wait, right now. Pick up the phone, fill out the form, turn to the person next to you. Tell them that you're ready to get started. Welcome to the family.
Hello everyone! I'd like to welcome you sa ating live streaming broadcast. I will be discussing something that can change your life for the better. This is a project, less than 2 months project na ginawa natin. We launched it last September 1. This Project Great Life, as you can see in our logo and in your screen, this project is called Project Great Life. By the way, I'll introduce myself later para doon sa mga hindi pa ako kilala, first time nanonood. We are doing this live. So wherever you are watching right now, I'd love to read kung saan po kayo nanonood right now. At the comfort of your home, maybe sa office, palabas na kayo. Then, let me know kung saan kang part ng mundo right now nanonood, okay? So, fasten your seatbelt. I'd like to start this presentation. I'll do this as quick as I can so that I will not take so much of your time. Okay, I'd like to start with this. Sabi nga, dreams are free, okay? Wala, libre ang mangarap, right? So, but, sabi dito, goals have a cost. Maybe the cost for that goal is time, effort, sacrifice, and sweat. Or maybe should I say money for those who are doing business. The cost of that goal maybe of a successful business is yung ating puhunan, pera na ginamit natin. For those who are working abroad, OFW, overseas, ang puhunan natin is time, effort, the money, di ba? The sacrifice, kasi hindi natin kasama ang mga mahal natin sa buhay. At for those who are like working sa farm or sa any yung nagre-require ng hard work like farmer, so kailangan nating mamuhunan ng pawis, pagod, sakripisyo, right? So, ganun yung goals. Now, let me ask you a question. My first question to you is, ang una kong tanong, ano yung goals nyo sa buhay? Okay. For sure, may mga goals tayo sa buhay and mas maganda pag makita ko sa comment box yung mga goals ninyo so I can read it later. But for the sake of generalization, believe me, you will agree with me na lahat tayo may ganitong somehow part ng ating brain na gusto natin ma-achieve sa ating buhay. Ang tawag doon, goals. Pag sinabing goals, ito yung mga dreams natin na kailangan natin lagyan ng deadline, right? Ito yung dreams natin na mayroong deadline. These are goals. And for me, kung ako yung tatanungin ninyo, ano yung goal ko sa buhay, one of my goals is first, I want to have these cars, the luxury cars, the cars that the car of my dream, right? Itong mga sasakyan na to. So, of course, I have my car right now. But someday, I'm looking forward to upgrade because this is like my third car now. So, from one level to another, from glory to glory, right? I started with sedan, then nag-upgrade ng another brand ng sedan, then right now, I'm driving an SUV, okay? So, lahat tayo mayroong ganong pangarap. We started with, and then we started with small, and then gusto natin, makita natin yung progress natin sa buhay, right? Gusto natin maybe 2 years from now, ito na yung gusto ko. 3 years from now, ito na ang next ko. Ang next ko na car is ganito. So, this is a perfect representation kung ano yung mga gusto natin sa buhay. At believe me, lahat tayo at some point, gusto natin magkaroon ng dream cars natin or car maybe for a start. Okay? Second, maybe this is a representation of most of us na gusto natin din magkaroon ng sarili nating mga bahay, dream house. Itong bahay na to na pwedeng dito natin palakihin, dito natin buuin ang ating pamilya, dito natin palakihin ang ating mga anak, right? Itong bahay na to gusto natin na matawag nating tahanan na kung saan we can grow, we can build our family na matatawag nating atin. Meron tayong uwian. Let's say, if yung mga anak mo, gusto natin, pag uuwi sila sa bahay natin, right? Sa bahay mo. Ganun yung ating at some point, right? So, dream house. Hindi kailangan ganito kaganda, but I believe yung bahay na matatawag natin, kasi yung mga dream natin is magkakaiba. Maybe ang dream house mo is mansion. Sa akin, okay na ako mid-end na bahay. Kung sa iba, gusto nila yung mga worth 20 million, 50 million na bahay. Okay? Magkakaiba tayo at hindi natin pwedeng i-compare yung ating mga gusto sa buhay because dreams are relative, right? Ito, pangarap ng iba. Ito, hindi pa to enough. Ito, enough na, pero para sa iba, hindi pa to enough. Okay? So, magkakaiba tayo na mga gustong ma-achieve sa buhay. Now, another goal na somehow halos lahat gustong ma-achieve. Bakit tayo nagsusumikap? Bakit tayo nagpapakahirap? Bakit tayo nagnenegosyo? Bakit tayo until na naghahanap pa ng somehow na way na kung saan madagdagan pa natin yung ating mga kinikita is for this. Right? Gusto natin ng malaking savings, malaking ipon. Bakit tayo nagtatrabaho? Ginagawa nating umaga ang gabi, ginagawa nating gabi ang umaga. Bakit ganon? Kasi we are looking for a time na kung saan we can enjoy time with family kasi nakapag-ipon na tayo. Okay? Later, i-explain ko further ano maganda natin gawin para dito. Now, and maybe, ang desire ko now, for me, is this one. Residual income. Ano ibig sabihin ng residual income? Residual income, ito yung income na kung saan hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho ng 9 to 5 still ng 40 years para kitain mo ang the same amount of money na kinikita mo sa ngayon. Ibig sabihin, sa simula, masyadong mataas yung oras o mahaba ang time na ating inaalat for our job, for our business. But after some time, lumiliit na yon, meaning shortened na. Maybe sa simula, nagtatrabaho ka ng 8 to 10 hours a day for you to earn this money. But, pag sinabi natin residual income, habang lumiliit yung time na ginagawa natin, inaalat natin para ma-achieve yung income na gusto natin, lumiliit na yung ating time na, let's say, kahit 2 hours na lang or kahit 1 hour a day na lang ginagawa mo, inaalat mo sa work mo or sa business mo, but still, yung iyong kinikita or yung income mo or yung profit mo or ang revenue mo if you are doing business is tumataas pa rin. Tumataas, hindi tumitigil. Ganun po ang ibig sabihin na residual income. At later, ma-realize ninyo na the only way we can achieve residual income is if you try to evaluate kung sino yung mga mayayaman sa nakilala natin sa Pilipinas, maybe if you are somewhere in Malaysia, Singapore, kung sino yung mga business tycoon na yan, if you try to analyze kung ano yung ginagawa nila, you will realize na marami silang negosyo. Okay? Hindi sila yung tipong negosyante na isa lang yung kanilang negosyo, isa lang yung kanilang source of income. Marami silang pinagkukunan. At if you contextualize it dito sa Philippines, di ba, if titingnan mo si Henry C., anong ginagawa ni Henry C.? Kahit pumanaw na si Henry C., pero yung kanyang legacy, yung kanyang business empire, nandyan pa rin. Nandyan pa rin si BDO, nandyan pa rin si yung kanyang real estate, nandyan pa rin ang kanyang development, nandyan pa rin ang kanyang mall, right? Nag-expand siya, bumibili pa siya ng mga bangko kasi ang kanyang idea is multiple sources of income. And believe me, during this pandemic, somehow nagde-desire tayo na sana marami akong sources ng income ngayon. Kaya para kahit mahina o matumal yung kita dito sa isa kong negosyo or nawalan ng trabaho yung ganito ko, kamag-anak, kapatid, or kaibigan, kung mayroon siyang iba pang pinagkukunan ng income, hindi lang isa, malamang hindi tayo right now, hindi katulad ang situation natin ngayon kung meron tayong multiple sources of income. And that multiple sources of income will give us residual income and eventually yan yung source natin na magkaroon tayo ng retirement income. Ideal or dream retirement income. Ano ba yun? Yung alam mo yung kumikita ka ng malaki or tumatanggap ka na lang buwan-buwan na hindi mo na kailangan pagtrabahuan. Di ba? Ang alam natin sa Pilipinas, ano ba yun? Pension. Right? Pero magkano lang ang pension? Pag CEO ka ng isang company, yun, malaki. Pero, let's say, umaasa ka sa SSS, ano ba yung iba? Yung mga GSIS na yan, pag you are a government employee. My question is, pag iisipin mo ngayon, if tumatanggap ka let's say ng 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, assuming nag-retire ka ng 60, assuming bigyan ka ni Lord ng additional 40 years sa mundo, okay? Bibigyan ka niya ng additional 40 years sa mundo para mabuhay, sa tingin mo, yung 15,000 ba or 20,000 a month, enough yan siya para i-maintain ang lifestyle na you are enjoying right now? Hindi pa natin isama doon yung maintenance na gamot. Mostly, yun yung common, di ba? We spend so much time working, we spend so much time, energy and effort, building our retirement, kumita ng pera, mag-ipon. Pero after, nag-retire tayo, anong nangyayari? Yung lahat ng inipon natin, ginagastos lang natin para saan? Maintenance na gamot, right? Sad reality. That's the reality most of the Filipinos are experiencing. Nag-retire, nagtrabaho, nag-retire, then mayroong pension, pero para sa gamot, para sa maintenance, para makasurvive pa for the next 20, 30 years. But ang tanong ko sa inyo, if you are watching right now, yan ba ang gusto mo or desired retirement na gusto mo? Yung pension mo para sa gamot lang. Tapos manghihingi ka ng pang-sustento sa pang-araw-araw, pagkain, you know? na hindi mo afford magbakasyon kasi wala nang extra budget. Tama? So I believe hindi mo yan gustong mangyari sa buhay mo. And I believe 100% na mga nanonood ngayon, gusto natin ang tinatawag na time and money freedom. Time and money freedom. Ano ba yun? Ang definition lang ng time, money, freedom is you can buy anything you want sa kahit anong oras na gusto mo, kahit saan mo gusto bilhin, at kung sinong gusto mong kasama para bilhin yun. Okay? Or i-enjoy yun. That's what we call time and money freedom. Okay? Marami sa atin, maraming time, pero wala din naman pera. Ang iba, ang daming pera, wala din naman time. Tama? Or, maybe, some of us, maraming time, maraming pera, but we don't have location freedom. Ano ba yung location freedom? Na pwede mong puntahan ang kahit anong lugar na gusto mong puntahan kasi you have still the energy, the health to do it. Di ba? Maraming may time, maraming may pera, pero hindi rin sila makapunta sa bakasyon. Bakit? Yung health nila, ayaw. Okay? Ayaw kasi hindi pwede mag-travel, baka nervyusin, tapos yung heart attack, ang high blood tumaas, ang blood pressure tataas. So, ganong mga klaseng circumstance or scenario. So what this project can give us, as I will present this to you, is an opportunity na kung saan pwede natin ma-achieve ang time, money, and location freedom in 3 to 5 years time. Subukan nyo itong tingnan. Evaluate nyo ito. If sa tingin nyo, this is for you, then I would like to welcome you aboard after. But sa tingin nyo hindi, then since this is a proposal, no hard feelings, okay? So, now, my question is, doon sa mga goals mo sa buhay, ano yung why behind those goals? Baga, may tanong, di ba? May advertisement, Nescafe. Sabi nila, para kanino ka ba bumabangon? Bakit ka nandyan sa abroad? Bakit nagtatrabaho ka sa labas? Para kanino? Bakit ka gumigising ng 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning para mag-prepare ng ganito, ihanda ang ganito para at 8:15 or 8:30 nasa opisina ka na? Para kanino mo yan ginagawa? And that is your why. Yan yung that why is mas malaki yan kaysa sa ating goals. And I believe lahat tayo will agree na ang why na yan is yung ating family at loved ones. Aside sa sarili natin, most of the time, ang why natin is our family, our spouse, ating asawa, ating mga anak, kapatid, parents, di ba? Yung mga wala pang pamilya, ang kanilang pinagsisikapan is para yung last payment ng housing ng nanay at tatay ko, ako magbabayad, di ba? Or yung kanilang binabayaran na ganito buwan-buwan sa bahay namin. Gusto ko makatulong, right? So these are the whys. For the mothers, the parents, the fathers, ang why natin is ano? Yung ating mga anak, right? Gusto natin na yung experience natin when we are young, yung kahirapan, the difficulties that we have when we are young, history sa ating pamilya, gusto natin hindi na ma-experience ng ating mga anak, right? In fact, I have that way back maybe 17 years ago, sabi ko, kasi nga, nagsimula ako ang pamilya ko is mahirap, sabi ko, sa time ko, sa generation ko, puputulin ko ang poverty ng aking pamilya. Okay? So that's my goal. Gusto ko mag-i-end sa aking generation ang kahirapan ng aming family. Tama? So that's my goal. That is why nagsumikap akong magnegosyo, magtrabaho, magnegosyo, mag-aral, magnegosyo para dito. Okay? So these are the why behind our goals. Now, para ma-achieve natin itong goals natin, itong mga goals na gusto natin sa buhay, kailangan natin ng vehicle. or sasakyan. Or kailangan natin ng platform para ma-achieve ito. Kasi hindi pwedeng halimbawa, nasa Davao ako, gusto kong pumunta ng Manila, kailangan ko ng sasakyan, kailangan ko mamili. Either magla-land trip ako, magda-drive ako, or sasakay ng barko, or mag-aeroplano. Okay? So we have the choices na pwedeng piliin para ako makarating sa Manila, right? The same is true sa mga pangarap natin sa buhay. The same is true sa mga goals natin sa buhay. Kailangan natin ng sasakyan so that marating natin yan. Okay? Kailangan natin ng right vehicle para ma-achieve or ma-realize natin yung mga goals na yun. And kaming mag-asawa, nakita namin ang right vehicle way back 6 years ago. Okay? So ito yung nakita kong vehicle 6 years ago. Ito is awarding ko ito way back sa 2017 sa Singapore. Okay, I was awarded there. Ang katabi ko is wife ko. 2017, September of 2017. Okay? So yan yung time na nasa kami. Ang awarding that time is Marina Bay Sands. Andun kami for 3 days. Mayroong event doon ng awarding. So ito yung vehicle na nakita namin. In fact, I was awarded 2017, yung rank ko ngayon. And then last month, my wife was awarded with the same rank na na-achieve ko 3 years ago. Okay? So my wife now is officially 6A2 ng company na to. At ang vehicle na ito na nakita namin na pwedeng makatulong din sa inyo is itong Enagic. Okay? This is the company or the vehicle na pinili namin mag-asawa na ito yung magiging tulay, magiging sasakyan namin papunta sa mga pangarap na gusto namin marating. Doon sa mga goals na gusto namin ma-achieve. Okay? Now, ano ba tong Enagic company na to? This is a 46 years old Japanese company. Ang maganda pa sa company na to is they are a manufacturing company. Okay? Manufacturing company po sila na sila yung gumagawa ng machine na to. Okay? And I'm referring to this, by the way, ang kanilang distribution is global. Okay? Pag magnenegosyo ka na lang, then alam mo yung pwede ka magbenta or mag-build ng business kahit saan. Walang boundaries. Okay? Walang boundary. Kasi buong mundo ang iyong market. So this is the vehicle that we chose 6 years ago to help us fulfill whatever goals and dreams that we have. Okay? Now, ang maganda dito is they have this unique product, Kangen water machine, na kung saan you can use this as your source of water for your family, wherein you can enjoy the healthiest water in the world for the next 25 years. Okay? That's the beauty of this. And then, ang nagustuhan ko talaga, bakit aligned ang puso ko or ang heart ko dito sa company na to is because they have this philosophy. Ito ang kanilang philosophy. To spread true health globally with compassion, one family at a time. So yan yung kanilang vision, yung kanilang vision statement. Gusto nila spread yung true health globally with compassion, one family at a time. Ito yung nagustuhan ko sa company na to. Ito yung nagustuhan ko sa vehicle na pinili namin na mag-asawa na magiging kung saan i-anchor namin ang aming dreams, mga goals namin. Kasi napakaganda ng kanilang vision statement. And then pag sinabing true health, ito yung kanilang definition ng true health. Ang true health sa kanila, itong company na to, Enagic, is referring to physical health. Tutulungan nila tayo na ma-achieve yung physical health na gusto natin. Di ba lahat gusto tayo healthy? Sino naman gusto sa atin sakitin? Di ba? Wala. So isa ito sa kanilang mission. Okay? Na gusto nila matulungan tayo, your family, one family at a time, na mabigyan ng magandang physical health. On top of that, this company is helping thousands of lives globally na ma-experience yung tinatawag na great financial health. Ano ba sinabi ng financial health? yung money freedom na gusto natin, the residual income na gusto natin, the retirement income na gusto natin, this company can provide if you want. Okay? Ito yung maganda sa company na to. At the same time, pag na-achieve natin tong physical at financial health, ang resulta niyan is peace of mind. Okay? Alam nyo ba na napaka-rare commodity na ng peace of mind? Di ba? Ngayon, ano bang cause na hindi nagkakasakit yung mga tao? Minsan, yung stress. Daming iniisip. Kung ano-ano na lang ang iniisip, kasama na doon yung utang, ano pa ba? Yung stress, kung ano yung gagastusin next month, trabaho, di ba? So, yung peace of mind is napaka-elusive. Parang ang hirap makamtan yung peace of mind sa ngayong panahon. Especially, nasa crisis tayo. Pandemic, right? Global pandemic. Minsan, nagwo-worry tayo ng sobra na kung saan natatakot, kung ano mangyayari, ano bang next, right? So, ang hirap ma-achieve ang peace of mind. In fact, mayroon akong definition ng peace of mind para sa akin. Ito yung, ang peace of mind for me is yung, alam mo yung nakakatulog ka ng mahimbing, na wala kang iniisip, at the same time, dahil sa sobrang himbing ng tulog mo, umaabot sa point na nandun ka sa tinatawag na REM, yung na deep sleep, rapid eye movement na level ng tulog, na kung saan sa level na yon nandun na yung tumutulo na yung laway sa sarap ng tulog, di ba? Humihilik, ganun yung definition ko ng peace of mind. Okay? At itong triangle na to is pwedeng ibigay sa atin ng Enagic. Itong tatlong bagay na ito. Physical health, financial health, and eventually it will give us mental health or peace of mind. Okay? Hello everyone. Welcome, welcome. Now, ang maganda pa sa Enagic is meron silang napakagandang career path. Ano ibig sabihin ng career path? Ito yung pagsusundan mo lang, ito yung ibibigay nila. Naka-lay down na. Baga tapos na ito, nakaplano na ito, naka-design na ito, na pagsusundan natin, you will enjoy so much freedom when it comes to health and then finances. Okay? Now, ang goal ko lang, ako, pagpasok ko dito, 6 years ago, ang goal ko is ma-achieve itong isang rank na to. At least, and in fact, I am hopeful and I'm very positive na by next year, early next year, or mid next year, either me or my wife will achieve this rank. Itong rank na 6A2-3. Isa ito sa mga dadaanan sa career path ng Enagic, na kung saan pag na-achieve mo ang rank na to, you will be enjoying $5,000 or equivalent in peso na 250,000 pesos. And that's monthly retirement. Pag sinabing monthly retirement, hindi mo na kailangan pagtrabahuan yan ng the same effort na ginawa mo. Let's say, binuno mo yan 3 years or 5 years or 6 years. Hindi mo kailangan gawin yung the same effort or hard work na ginawa mo para ibigay yan sa'yo. Pag sinabing monthly retirement or residual income na, tatanggap ka na lang yan buwan-buwan. And this is on top of the commission, on top of the other bonuses, on top of the other profit sharing. This is just one of the 4. Hindi pa kasama dito ang quarterly. This is monthly. Can you imagine if you will hit this rank and enjoying this one? My question is, okay na ba ito sa'yo na retirement? Instead of hoping for the SSS or GSIS na magbigay sa atin ng 6,000 to 15,000 or 25,000, depende sa contribution natin, right? So, is 250,000 per month okay for you as to your monthly retirement income 3 to 5 years from now? Is that okay with you? Pwede na ba yung buhayin ang pamilya mo with this retirement? And for sure, the answer for that is yes. Ang maganda pa, hindi lang hanggang dyan ang pwede mong ma-achieve. In fact, you can achieve more. Why? Because this video is the testimony. Ito yung patunay, patotoo na ang isang Filipino na overseas OFW pwedeng ma-achieve. Isang ordinaryong tao na pwedeng ma-achieve ang highest rank ng INAGIC sa ngayon, which is 682-6. And allow me to show you this short video para maintindihan natin at ma-appreciate natin kung anong sinasabi ko.
So before we introduce her, can you please stand up?
682.6. Oh my God.
Okay, so I am going to have a great honor to bring up our highest ranked distributor, underneath Mr. Oshiro, of course, in the entire company. 6A, 2-6, Cynthia Briganti. You are. We may not know where you came from, and we really want to know what it took for you to get here. So for the people all around the world, for 4,000 people, for Mr. and Mrs. Oshiro, tell us who you are.
First of all, I would like to thank God for giving us their magic as the tools for us to change our lives. I came from the Philippines.
So this lady came from the Philippines. She is a Cebuana from Davao del Sur. Happened last 2016, Global Convention ng INAGIC. At na-awardan siya ng 682-6. Tumanggap siya ng 10 million pesos one time. But ang maganda dyan is after that, she is receiving minimum of $20,000 US. Isa lang yan, and that's 1 million. Hindi pa kasama doon ang benta niya sa machine, commission, overriding, royalty, profit sharing. Hindi pa kasama doon yung quarterly. Can you imagine? In fact, meron akong tip na nakuha na ang kinikita niya right now, disclaimer, ito lang yung estimate ko sa kinikita niya is nasa $100,000 US per month on the average. Kasi itong babae na to is nasa 5,000 machines po siya, group sales every month. Can you imagine? Ganito siya ka blessed. Of course, pinagtrabahoan niya yan. Of course, hindi yan niya ginigay lang na pag nung gumising siya, nandiyan na. Ginawa niya yung part niya, yung sinabi kanina, first slide po, hard work, sacrifice, sweat, money, effort, ginawa niya lahat. And right now, she is enjoying the residual income promised to her ng INAGIC pag mahit mo itong rank na to. Okay? Now, sabi ng may-ari, she had a dream. You have a dream to make it happen. Okay? Can you imagine pwede nyo ipikit yung mga mata nyo, tapos imagine niyo na kayo yung tumatanggap ng 200,000 US, that's 10 million. Kung ano yung pwedeng gawin ng 10 million pesos na yan, one time, pero before that, nakatanggap na yan siya ng million, 2.5 million. Before siya dumating kasi sa 682-6, dumanin siya sa rank, yung lower ranks ng Enagic. Okay? Now, gusto nyo pa ng proof? Ito. These are the Hong Kong people, Hong Kong Chinese people na, can you imagine, receiving those checks, bonus checks, title bonus checks one time because na-hit nila yung rank ng Enagic. Ganun ang in store for us sa company na to. Okay? Kaya ko ito pinili na gawing vehicle papunta sa mga gusto kong marating. Kasi I know that this company, 46 years old company, a rock solid company can help me achieve whatever dreams that I have with my wife through this company. Now, ito yung career path ng Enagic. Of course, magsisimula sa 6A. By the way, ang kinikita ni Cynthia or ang bonus ni Cynthia alone is nasa 1 million pesos a month. Kanina, di ba, okay na tayo sa 250. How about 1 million? Anong pwedeng gawin ng 1 million pesos na yan? Minimum lang po yan, ha? Pwede yan mag times 3, times 4 pag nasa rank ka na ganyang rank. Okay? Now, of course, magsisimula yan sa 6A. Itong 6A, 101 machines, nakuha ko to after 1 year. Okay? So, nagsimula ako September 2014. Then, September of 2015, naging 6A ako. Then, 2 years after, nakuha ko itong rank na 6A2. Ang 6A2 is kailangan mo, mayroon kang dalawang 6As under you. Okay? Then, my wife also is a 6A2 right now, right? Sabi ko kanina, pinakita ko, she is also a 6A2 now. And then, ang maganda lang is, kahit nauna akong ma-6A2 sa kanya, mayroong possibility na within the year, my wife will become 6A2-2. Kasi napakalakas ng kanyang Norway group, yung kanyang Europe. Selling machine like crazy ang kanyang Europe na market. That is why, ang wife ko in December, actually, pwede na siyang ma-6A2-2. Dahil ang kabila niya is ako, 6A2, and then ang kanyang kabila, ang kabila niyang leg is like 50 machines away, magiging 6A2 na rin. So that will make my wife a 6A2-2. Okay? And then, nasabi ko kanina, kaya pwede na magiging -3 actually ang wife ko by next year. Can you imagine? My wife is a banker. She is doing good. Officer po siya ng bangko. Malaki ang posisyon, mataas, I mean. Of course, kasabay ng mataas na posisyon is malaking sweldo, right? In short, can you imagine, at the age of 30 plus, pwede na siyang mag-retire with this income, okay? Hindi pa kasama doon ang kinikita namin sa machine, hindi pa kasama ang rank ko at 682, that we will be enjoying sa Enagic, okay? Now, pero kailangan natin umabot yan ng mayroon kang dalawang grupo na 6A2-2 para ka ma-3. Okay? Now, yung iba kinukuha ito 6 years, 7 years, yung iba 9 years para maka-achieve, marating ito. At realistic, talagang pwede mong ma-achieve kasi right now there are hundreds of 6A2-3. Okay? Sa buong mundo. Pero ito maganda. Sa buong mundo, 6 pa lang ang 6A2-6. 6 pa lang. Okay? Ganun pa siya ka. Kasi ang buong mundo na billion ang population, right now, ang machine owner pa lang is nasa 1.3 million. Can you imagine? Can you do the math if you are inclined to solving math, getting the percentage? Ang number of machine owners pa lang sa buong mundo is nasa 1.3 million. Nasa less than 0.001% pa po ang mayroong machine. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman lahat mayroong 201, right? Hindi naman lahat mayroong 201,000 ready to purchase the machine. Hindi lahat pwedeng maka-raise ng pan-down payment at magbabayad ng monthly amortization for the machine. That's the constraint of this machine. Although napakaganda niyang machine, napakaganda niya when it comes to health ng family, pero the reality bites. Why? Kasi hindi lahat ng pamilya kayang ma-afford ito right away. Okay? Kailangan pagplanuhan, kailangan para ma-achieve ito. At the same time, para ma-achieve mo yung 682-3, kailangan mo itong 6816. At least, meron kang dalawang leaders na 682-2 for you to achieve this. Now, hindi lahat ng tao kaya ang ginawa ko. Hindi lahat ng tao kaya. By the way, my wife is nasa ganyang position, pero ang ginawa ko lang is pinosisyon siya. Nilagay ko siya sa taas, tinabaho ko yung baba, nilagyan ko siya ng kabilang grupo, para at least ma-enjoy niya lahat ng effort ko, lahat ng pinaghirapan ko, mayroon siyang royalty. Yan ang ginawa ko. Strategist kasi ako talaga. When it comes to business, I want to maximize. Bakit ako maghihirap na hindi ko ma-maximize yung kita? That is why ginawa ko, pinosisyon ko siya as my sponsor, my upline. Okay? Now, pero actually, in short, that's my account. Yan yung effort. Amin yan. So, hindi naman gumatter kung pangalan niya, pangalan ko. That's our accounts. Okay? Dalawang accounts in short ang kinuha ko nung nagsimula ako. In short, nung nagsimula ako, para kitain ko ito, ma-enjoy ko yung business na to, kailangan ko mag-shell out ng dalawang machines. Kailangan ko bumili ng dalawang machines. That time, wala akong pera. So, ang ginawa ko, nangutang pa ako ng pang-kapital, pang-down payment. Alam mo saan ako nangutang? Sa asawa ko. Kasi that time, hindi maganda yung aking networking career. 6 years ago. Okay? Kakasara ng isang negosyo, maghanap ka na naman na magsisimulan. Alam mo yun? Ganong mga experience sa networking business. Now, pero, 2016, after 2 years kong ginawa ang Enagic, nakuha ko yung rank, 682, napaisip ako, ano kaya kung, kasi na-in-love ako sa machine nagandahan ako sa kanyang negosyo, na ang gusto ko is, paano ko kaya to gawing madali, gawing simple para doon sa mga tao na hindi afford yung machine, hindi nila kaya mag-shell out ng ganito kalaking pera, ano kaya ang pwede kong gawin para makatulong sa mga less fortunate people. So yun yung, kasi galing ako sa UP, I have the heart for the poor. So kasi galing din ako sa mahirap, kaya gumawa ako ng company. Ang company na to is, tinawag kong The Portal International. So ang goal ng company na to is, tulungan yung mga mahihirap para magka-machine sila at eventually ma-enjoy nila ang kinikita ng Enagic. Ma-enjoy nila ang career path ng Enagic, hindi nila kailangan maglabas ng ganito kalaking pera sa simula. Ang ginawa ko is pinadali ko yung mga buhay nila. Kasi kung ang bentahan ko ng machine para magnegosyo is yung mga mayayaman na, ang tinutulungan ko lang din para yumaman, yung mga mayayaman na. Gusto ko makatulong sa mga mahirap. That is why dinisign ko itong corporation na to. Tinayo ko ito way back 4 years ago. Na ang intention is to help. To help. Okay? Now, kaya, pinaganda natin, pinabilis natin, pinag-isipan natin kung ano pang pwede. Nung nangyari ang pandemic, nagkaroon ng corona, hindi na pwede yung offline business. Yung mga mahihirap, sila yung nag-suffer the most kasi ayaw na nila maglabas ng pera kasi baka kailan ba ito matatapos yung pandemic? At least meron kaming ipon para pambili ng pagkain, pambili ng bigas. Ganun yung mindset ng mga mahirap, right? So ayaw na maglabas ng pera. That is why dinisign ko itong fast track plan. For those gustong baguhin ang buhay nila na hindi kailangan for a longer period of time. Hindi kailangan 10 years. Hindi kailangan 7 years. In fact, pag gawin natin to ng tama, ang ipapakita ko sa inyong proposal, pwede nyo gawin to in 7 months. Pwede nyo gawin to in 14 months. Pwede nyo gawin to in less than 3 years. Pwede nating baguhin ang mga buhay natin for the better. Okay? So, kaya to lumabas tong fast track plan ng The Portal International. I call this Project Great Life. Kasi ang gusto ko, ma-experience niyo kung ano ibig sabihin ng great life based sa definition niyo ng great life, di ba? Magkaiba kasi tayo ng definition ng great life. Para sa iba, ang great life sa kanila is magkaroon ng BMW. Ang iba, gusto lang nila Land Cruiser. Ang great life sa iba, gusto lang nila ng Fortuner. Ang iba, gusto nila ng Mustang, di ba? Iba-ibang definition natin ng great life. That is why this project is called Project Great Life, kasi this project can help you achieve your great life na gusto mong ma-experience kasama ang pamilya mo. Okay? Now, this is a team strategy. Okay? Napagaanin natin ang negosyo ng Enagic. Hindi kailangan magbibenta tayo ng, of course, you can do benta on the side, pero hindi kailangan yun talaga ang ating front line na bibenta ng machine. Meron tayong gawin para mas madali. Now, ito lang yung sundan natin. Okay, this is the proposal. If kaya natin to gawin, if sa tingin nyo, you can do this, then for those hindi pa kasama sa project na to, then I am inviting you to join us. But, if sa tingin mo hindi mo ito kaya, then this project is not for you. Okay? Hindi ito para sa lahat, doon lang sa gustong ma-experience ang great life na gusto nila. Okay? Now, negosyo ito, right? Nung nagsimula ako na Enagic, kailangan ko mga pital ng 2 machines. Ito, ang kailangan nyo lang is mga pital ng 1 beses. One-time purchase. At hindi 200,000, hindi 20,000, hindi 10,000. Later, makikita nyo na sobrang, liit ng kailangan nating puhunan para dito. Kasi nga, ang target ko is makatulong. Kasi kung tataasan ko yung puhunan, sino lang din makakasali, right? That is why this business is very affordable, very doable. Kasi ang slogan, by the way, ng The Portal is Gateway to Success. Okay, yan ang slogan na pinili ko. Kasi gusto ko, magiging daanan nyo ito para ma-achieve kung whatever dreams, goals that you have. Okay? So, ang gawin lang natin is bumili ng one-time product package. Pero hindi lang hanggang doon kasi nga 3 steps. Kailangan gawin mo din to. At least, meron kang 3 tao na pwedeng tulungan na ma-experience din ng great life. Hindi lang product. Okay? Ang goal dito is, it's not about the product na kapalit ng port binili mo or pera na pinambili mo. This is all about the Enagic retirement, the career path of Enagic. Okay? Now, 3 lang. 3 tao. Namaya, i-qualify ko yan, ano yung mga tao na yan. And then lastly, this is duplication. For sure, may mga negosyante dito. Maybe you are connected to right now sa iba't ibang networking companies, di ba? Pag walang duplication, there's no way na kikita ka. There's no way na magli-leverage ka. There's no way na lalaki ang kita mo pag hindi ka nag-duplicate. That's the key. Kahit saang business, kahit real estate, insurance, if you are a broker, lahat kailangan mag-duplicate. Pag broker ka ng real estate, realtor ka, anong kailangan? Kailangan yung mga ahente mo nagbebenta rin. Tama? Pag nasa insurance ka, nasa branch manager ka, kailangan yung mga agents under you, unit managers are performing. It's the same thing with this. Kailangan natin yung duplication because that's the only key. That's the only way you can experience freedom, time and money freedom as to business when you are duplicating. Okay? Now, yan yung 3. Pero i-dissect ko yung 3 na yan. So, pag sinabing one-time purchase of a product package, I am referring to this capital. Ito lang. 4,888 and that's one time. Hindi kailangan monthly. That's one time. Hindi rin kailangan yearly. That's one time. One-time purchase. Plus shipping. Kung kahit saan ka mang part ng mundo, magkakaiba. Pag within Philippines, 250. Yan yung shipping natin. But like kanina, mayroong sumali, nasa Australia siya. So iba yung shipping fee pag Australia, okay? So kaya hindi ko nilagay kung magkano. So plus shipping fee. Now, Yan yung one-time purchase. Anyway, huwag kayong mag-alala. Doon sa, bakit may shipping fee? Kasi, bibigyan kayo ng products. Actually, may halos kapalit. Same doon sa pinambili nyo. Kasi nga, purchase lang ito eh. Hindi ito na hihingan ka ng almost 5,000 na walang kapalit. Promises. Hindi. This is exchange of value. Nagbayad ka ng 488, kapalit noon, product. Okay? Pero ang maganda dito, ang pagbili mo, meron siyang added value. Ano yon? Great life. Pwede mong ma-experience ang time and money freedom na gusto mo, na pinangarap mo, in 3 to 5 years time. Pagsundan lang natin tong ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? That's the package option A. Pwede rin package option B. Pwede rin package option C. You can do research, literature about this product. But pag sasali ka dahil lang sa product, kasi gusto mo to, then this project is not for you. Okay? Kasi ang product is just our way of saying na we are legit. This is a good business. Kasi pag good business, may kapalit yan na sa direct selling, right? Dapat may kapalit na product. Alam nyo, ang ibig kong sabihin, for those who are involved in network marketing before, hindi pwedeng kukunan ka ng 500 na walang kapalit na product if you are into direct selling. Kailangan merong value exchange, right? So, ganun din ang ginawa natin para wala tayong problema sa legalities. Now, but, so nasabi ko na, dapat sasali kayo sa project na to kasi gusto nyo ng time and money freedom. Gusto nyo ng retirement money. Gusto nyo ng monthly retirement income. Hindi dahil gusto nyo ng ukon or yung ang tawag noon, yung FX na yon. Hindi dapat yun yung reason nyo na gusto ko yung product na yon. Gusto ko yung ukon. No. This project is designed for you to experience the great life na gusto mong ma-achieve. Okay? Now, Refer 3. Ano ba yung Refer 3 na yan? May qualification din ito. Okay? Dapat piliin niyo. So, nasabi ko na, this project is not for everyone. Please, pag ang gusto mo lang product, wala kang balak mag-refer ng 3, please don't join this project. Okay? Kasi kawawa yung sponsor mo. Kawawa yung nag-refer sa'yo kasi hindi gagalaw yung grupo niya. Mas stagnant. Kasi the only way we can achieve great life here is if everyone will contribute 3 referrals each. That's all. To simplify this matter, ang kailangan lang natin is mag-refer ng 3. At turuan yung 3 na yon na mag-refer din ng 3. That's all. Okay? Now, ang qualification ng dapat natin i-refer dito is ito. R, kasi qualifications pala. Marami ito. Number 1, a person who really want to have the Enagic machine but can't afford for now. If this is you, then type mo 1. If ikaw to, gusto mo ng machine pero wala ka pang pambili. Okay? Number 2, gusto mong kumita. If ikaw din to, please type 2. Ikaw to, gusto mong kumita. Number 3, gusto mo ng residual income or retirement income in 3 to 5 years time. Okay? Yun yung pangatlo. If you are this, then you can also type 3 if you are that person, para at least alam ko later, magbabasa ko, and then makita ko na ikaw tong tao na to. And then lastly, if you are that person like me, na gusto ring tumulong, mayroon ka ding burden, mayroon ka ding desire sa heart mo na somehow magiging channel ka ng blessing sa mga tao. At least 3 tao na yon, then this project is for you. Okay? Dapat dyan sa 4 na yan, at least meron kang isa. Pag wala ka dyan sa 4, huwag kang sumali sa project. Okay, please. I beg you, don't join the project if wala ka dyan sa 4 na yan. But if you are at least one, then this project is free. Now, pangatlo, this is automatic. Actually, pag naintindihan natin na kailangan ko to gawin, mag-refer ng tatlo, itong step number 3, hindi na to kailangan, magiging automatic na to. Okay? Actually, pwede na tong 2 simple steps lang. Gusto ko lang i-emphasize na make sure na alam ng tatlo mo na ni-refer mo sila kasi alam mo magre-refer sila. Hindi lang bibili ng product. Okay?